Definitely another tutorial. It is hot up in here. It is freaking hot. Snows is hot. Is she always? Okay. Not really. My battery's gonna die, so let's get started. Okay, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, you need to know that I am Xrizz'Tina, and don't forget to subscribe, sis, because if you're watching my videos, you'll probably be interested in the next one, and the one after that, and the one after that, and the one after that, and then all the other ones that I made before this one. So if you can't tell, I'm wearing a wig with an H. That's right, a wig. I've worn this wig a lot. I've had this wig for a year now. I've trimmed it, I've fluffed and stuffed it, and I'm pretty sure that because so many people think that it's my real hair, they wonder, how do you get it to stay on like that? You'd be surprised what a girl has to do to keep her wig on, okay? I can't stand having combs in my wigs because I've noticed that it damages my hair. If the combs are not literally ripping the hair out of my head, then the pressure from the band and the comb being in between the band and my scalp causes sores, and then my scalp just releases the hair from the follicle. It's just too much. I just can't. I know you want to wear this wig, but my edges just can't. Therefore, I always cut all of my combs out of my wigs, especially in the front and on the sides, because like I just said, I can't deal with them. It's not cute, it doesn't feel good, and it really makes me feel like I can't even go a couple hours with wearing a wig, which technically you should be able to wear your wig all day long, which is anywhere between 5 to 8 hours, you know, then you need to take it off. But anywho, so recently I got reached out to by this wonderful brand, and they have a product called Wig Fix. And Wig Fix is a product for women like me who either have hair that is too slick for the combs or just prefer not to have combs in their wigs at all. It comes in this little package so you can zip it up and carry it in your purse or your traveling case. And they sent me this card that says, "Someone's looking gorgeous," which is quite the compliment because I'm sure I was looking raggedy when I got my package. The Wig Fix makes wearing wigs secure, safer, and simple. Provides roller coaster proof wig security, reduces or removes the need for glues, tapes, clips, and combs, which is my #1 priority with my wigs. Protects and nourishes hair and skin underneath the wig. I didn't know about that. Induces natural hair growth by stimulating the scalp, which I think is true because of the way that it's made. Takes seconds to apply, remove, absolutely true. Lasts for 2 years, I just got it like a month ago. Quick and easy to clean, I can agree with that. So it says, apply the Wig Fix behind the hairline, which is part of the reason why so many ladies lose their edges, because they put their wig right on their edges, or they put the combs right on their edges, which you're not supposed to do. Tint the Wig Fix using makeup if needed. So if you're someone who likes to wear 360 lace frontals or lace wigs in general, or you like to part and section your wig, you can actually add makeup to this and then remove it. Wear wig on top of the Wig Fix. Adjust and tighten wig around the Wig Fix. In order to clean it, you just have to wipe it clean with a makeup wipe or a wet cloth and leave to air dry. So the brand is called They're Natural. They're Natural? Is it They're Natural or The Re-Natural? One of those. I apologize if I got it wrong. Let me just take off my wig so I can show y'all okay how it looks. Now me personally, because I love my curly wigs, I use bobby pins in the past and currently when I cut my combs out, because you know, even if you're someone who is not about losing your edges, you definitely don't want to have issues with your wig sliding off. And if you got a big old head like me, that can be a problem. So I just use little bobby pins, these, yeah. My battery's about to die, y'all. So, I'm glad I did my hair underneath this. Woo, sis. Okay, We got twists going on. It's all right. It's all right. We got twists. So as you can see, now that I've fixed the lighting, I have my hair in twists because I have a lot of hair, and if I don't twist it down, then my wigs will look lumpy, which usually isn't a problem with this wig because it's big and curly. But this, ladies, is the Wig Fix. This is what it looks like. You can wear it on either side. It has these little ridges. Yeah, it's super duper soft, super duper stretchy. So if you have a big head, you have a short head, it's gonna fit really nicely. And I'm supposing that the ridges are what's supposed to stimulate hair growth on your scalp. So you wanna take it, put it on, and it grips onto the hair really, really nicely. I don't put it at my edges. And one thing I can say is that this is super comfortable on my head. I've literally had my wig on since, I want to say 7 this morning, around 7, and it is about to be 7 p.m. So I've had this on for almost 12 hours, and I didn't adjust it at all. I didn't feel itchy. I feel like it moves with my scalp and my big old head, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and let me show you the inside of my wig, just so y'all don't think I'm lying. No comb, sis. I did leave a comb back here because prior to getting the wig fixed, I needed some sort of security, but I don't do combs in my wigs. Yeah, so I literally cannot have combs in my hair because my scalp it can't handle it. My edges will come right out. Anywhere the combs sit on my head, my scalp just gets so irritated that it releases hair from the follicles. But I love this. Super flexible, and what I do appreciate about it being so stretchy is I can literally pin my little twist down, or if you have braids, it's just super easy to wear. And I've been wearing it for a little while. I don't wear my wigs all the time during the summer because it's hot. It's hot, sis. But I do wear them a lot during the winter. And if I had to give this a rating out of 5 stars, I would definitely say about 4.5. And the only reason why I say 4.5 is because I haven't really been wearing it as much as I probably could. But I do appreciate it, for sure. One thing I would like to see is it coming in different colors, maybe in different complexions, you know. Some people don't have to add makeup if they don't want to, because I'm too lazy for that, and I don't want makeup on my scalp because I don't got time to be having any sort of reactions, you know. But yeah, she cute. She cute. And maybe I'll do a little montage of me and my wigs so y'all can see. Let me go get my wigs.
You got issues, you got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you. I want it, I got it. 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 You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just got it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. Look at my dress, you got the money, the baby respect. And in the budget when I'm on the side. If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah, I want it, I got it. I see it, I like it. I want it, I got it. Yeah. My song. I just want to know why you haven't subscribed yet. I don't understand. I don't comprehend. It's not adding up. Explain yourself. Never mind, never mind. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit it. And then watch the next video.